Hello everybody, my name is Sri from grade 9, and as you can see in this image, one side it is you and one side is it your replica or is it your twin brother or sister? Obviously no, it is the image that is being formed on a plane mirror. Yes, today we are going to test or make a checklist for all the characteristics of the image that is being formed in a plane mirror. So come on, take a look into the checklist that we are going to follow up today. Okay, this is the checklist that we are going to follow throughout our test, and the 5 characteristics of the image that is being formed on a plane mirror is being listed. One by one, we are going to check each of the characteristics, and then finally we are going to score out our checklist. Let's see what's our score. Keep waiting and enjoy the session. So the image for our today's investigation is ready. This is an image that has a chair and a kettle above it placed in front of a plane mirror. So our checklist is ready, image is ready. Let's start with our investigation. Number 1 criteria is virtual image. By definition, virtual images are the images that cannot be formed on a screen, and real images are the images that can be projected or formed on a screen. So this image is obviously a virtual image because this image cannot be projected or screened up anywhere else. This is only being formed by the plane mirror. So number 1 criteria is being a tick. Number 2 is image size and object size to be same. So the image size would be about 30 to 40 centimeters, the height of the kettle. So in the image also it would be the same. Object size is equal to the image size. There won't be any change. For example, the image will not be shorter than the object, or the image will not be longer, wider, narrower than the object. It is the same as the object. So object size is equal to image size. Number 2 criteria is being ticked up. Number 3 is object distance from mirror is equal to image distance from mirror. The distance of the object from mirror would be about 50 to 60 centimeters, and in the image also it would be the same. The image will not give us a shorter or a longer or a more distance than the object. So number 3 criteria is also being ticked up. Number 4 is laterally inverted, which means the image will be left to right inverted. As this is an idle image, there won't be any changes or any inversions shown. But for example, if you take yourself and stand in front of a mirror, if you raise up your left hand, you could see your right hand being raised up in the image. That is known as lateral inversion. Obviously, the image will be laterally inverted in a plane mirror. So number 4 criteria is also being ticked up. The final criteria is upright or erect, which means the orientation of the object will be the same as the orientation of the image. Which means the image will also be straight. And yes, as you can see, the image is straight as the object. There is no change in the orientation. So all the 5 criteria in our checklist is being satisfied by this image being formed on a plane mirror. So in summary, we will see the 5 characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror. Number 1, object size is equal to image size, the same size as the object. Number 2, the image is laterally inverted, left to right inversion. Number 3, the image is upright or erect as the same orientation as the object. Number 4, virtual image, the image cannot be projected or screened up anywhere. Number 5, the final criteria or characteristic is distance of object from mirror is equal to distance of image from mirror. So now our checklist is happy. We are done with all the characteristics of images. Thank you so much. Hope you got inferred and investigated the characteristics. See your happy checklist.